2-4.
Yeah. Woo. Hey, I think I got another one, Gino. Ain't it, man? Hey.
Worked too many days, I've been whipping metal. Damn near need a raise, I done got by several. Woman talking crazy, hold it down, boy. Hem 'em up, grab 'em by the range, use a cowboy. I've been catching plays, I've been getting dough. Slept too many days, time to get some more. I've been slinging flames, I'm a wild boy. Heard it right, day and night, alloy cowboy. Well, I'm a bad motherfucker, blame it on my mama. That Florida boy out the jungle, pocket full of Thompson. Told my fitter he should quit it, tired of seeing him struggle. I think my fitter is a helper, he don't know nothing. That ink and nail look delicious, different when I'm whipping. That metal dancing out on boogie, look at how I cook it. I get it hot and keep on pushing, I am not a rookie. That 70 SB welding garbage, sick of this carpet. And I'ma weld it up for sure, it look better than yours. You better not mess with my machine, don't step on my purge. You better make sure it's level, knife edge my bevels. I'm talking 347, that 311. I even purge P11, they say I ain't gonna. I told my foreman I'm a welder, I do what I wanna. That 9 chrome, yes I want it, in aluminum foil. I treat it like a baked potato when I get on it. Worked too many days, I've been whipping metal. Damn near need a raise, I done got by several. Woman talking crazy, hold it down, boy. Hem 'em up, grab 'em by the range, use a cowboy. I've been catching plays, I've been getting dough. Slept too many days, time to get some more. I've been slinging flames, I'm a wild boy. Heard it right, day and night, alloy cowboy. QC's acting salty, had to get 'em off me. I'm at the ride room often, I be sipping coffee. Said they had some bad shots, tried to put it on me. Please explain how that happened, all I did was tag it. They used to call me Black Magic, I am far from average. When they found out I was rapping, had them all ecstatic. Then I dropped that I be welding, how could I be selfish? And I did it for my brethren, how could you be jealous? Slinging flames, pushing metal, dueling with the devil. Only question on my mind, how can I get better? I'm never scared, now who want it? Show me my opponent. My machine gon' turn it up on Arizona. Slinging 9 is a hobby, I know all about it. Day and night, welding pipe is all exotic. If it ain't round, throw it down, get the hell from around me. I'll bag up and drag up to another outage. Worked too many days, I've been whipping metal. Damn near need a raise, I done got
fucked up over here on this side, but I don't know. It is what it is though. But yeah, we out here.
Got my several. Woman talking crazy, hold it down, boy. Hem 'em up, grab 'em by the range, use a cowboy.